Hello guys, ayan. Happy weekend. Friday ngayon guys. Ayan, nagluto kami ng ano guys, ng barbecue chicken at saka shrimp. Ay, yeah. Yan guys. At saka syempre naman may kanin at may kamatis na galing sa pinabarbecue at saka yung ano guys, gulay. Ayan guys. May sawsawan din guys. Ayan, napakasarap guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel and my video. Like and share and comment guys. Thank you so much. Please naman po subscribe naman po yung channel ko po. Thank you so much po. Thank you, thank you. Kain tayo. Happy weekend. Thank you.